Hello guys, welcome to another video lesson from Forex. I recently executed a trade and I'm actually willing to make 27R on that trade, and this trade is still running when I'm making this video. So let me show you the whole process why I took this trade. As you can see right now, I am in the Euro NZD chart. You can see that here, Euro New Zealand dollar. And right now I am in the weekly chart, and as you can see here, we have this, belly. It's a rally and drop, okay, and that made the high, okay. So we have this belly, and also we have this belly. Remember guys, this is not a belly because it didn't make a high, but it did this one here. It made the high, and that point here also made a high. Okay, so now let me just connect these two here, this one here and this level here. Okay, and as you can see here, I drew a trend line just by connecting these 2 points here. Okay, and we can see that recently price actually broken this trend line. Okay, as you can see, this order block here, use the replay button. So recently price broken that trend line, and not only that, is broken the trend line with a lot of force. As you can see, this candle here and this candle here, they are ERC candles, and after broken the price actually consolidated away with this candle. Okay, as you can see, this candle actually went almost to the trend line, but it didn't touch the trend line, so that means it's consolidated away. Okay, so now not only that, also another thing, when this move actually happened, it also taken out this demand zone. As you can see, it's the opposite side of demand zone, so this supply removed that demand zone, that weekly demand zone. Okay, so now let me come to this area. Okay, so when price was making a retracement and I was just waiting for this area. Okay guys, so when price actually came here in this area, I went to 4 hours chart. Okay, so right now I'm in the 4 hours chart. As you can see here very clearly, I'm in the 4 hours chart. Let me clean it. So that was the weekly. Now in the 4 hours chart, I'm just gonna wait for an imbalance. Okay, now let's play it forward. No imbalance until now. There was an imbalance, but it didn't consolidate away. Well guys, one second. So we had this imbalance right here, this new imbalance here in the 4 hours chart. Okay, we had this imbalance here because it's an imbalance because of the move was strong. You can see that ERC candle, and it actually removed that demand, opposite side of demand in 4 hours chart. So that's why this is a very good order block to trade. Okay, so I actually placed the order here. Now let me take you to my MetaTrader and show you that how I placed the order and where I am gonna take my profit. Okay, right now I am in my MetaTrader, and as you can see that I am actually in a sell. You can look at this area here. I am in a sell, not in a sell limit, not in a sell stop. I am actually in a sell. That means I'm in the trade. Okay, yeah, you can see it here as well, this area here, that I am in a sell. Okay, so I'm only in a one trade, so I'm in a sale. Okay guys, now, and as you can see that I placed the order just right here and my trade was executed. Okay, and my target will be, if I go to the weekly chart, my target will be this area here, because it's a weekly order block, but this order block didn't actually make a high. So I think price will just fall, until this level here. I don't know yet. This is only my, trading is a game of probability. I can only think price will go there, but it might not happen. But right now I'm in the trade. Actually, I can see here that we have an order block here in the 4 hours chart, even the trend is down. So price might go up from here and it might give me a losing trade. I don't know, but price might also come to my take profit. Okay guys, so I don't know. So well, now let me show you one thing. Now as you can see that I wrote down here my stop loss pips were 21.3 pips and my target will be 576.3 pips. Okay, now let me show you. As you can see here, my points, if you look at up, you can see that my points, stop loss points are 21.3, and if you come down again here, if you look at the mouse here, and my take profit point will be 576.1. so now if I just take the calculator, and that will be like 576.3 divided by 21.3, so that will be 27R. Okay guys, so that's what I am willing for. Now I don't know if this trade is running now. I don't know if it's gonna be a win or losing trade. Anyway, I don't care if I lose a trade, anyway guys, but guys, I want to tell you something guys. You have to be like a robot. You have to learn a strategy that has age over long period of time. You have to learn a strategy that's based on the higher time frame, weekly, monthly, daily, 4 hours chart. Don't just look at the YouTube videos, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, small time frame day trading videos and learn this. You cannot become a successful trader by trading the smaller time frame like 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 1 minute. You cannot, because you can do that maybe for a few months, 1 year, then eventually you will get tired, you will get frustrated, because our brain cannot cope up with all these 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So you have to learn something that's solid strategy, and supply and demand is not a new strategy. The way I am trading is based on original supply and demand. This is a proven method. I didn't invent anything here. I'm just trading just supply and demand. So guys, please learn this strategy, learn supply and demand and stay with the higher time frame. And last thing is, if you like my video, please remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs button. And if you like it really a lot, then please share the video. Thanks guys, and I wish you a very nice day. Bye.